mission is really simple. It's giving back to those that have given. And we do that in a really unique way. We give back to veterans in senior living communities. So these veterans are in their 80s, 90s, 100s, and their world's getting a lot smaller. We bring the biplane, they come out to the airport, and they get to go flying. It just blows their mind. The joy that it brings to somebody is just unbelievable. But over time, I've had a chance to get emails, I've had a chance to talk to family members, and it's become clear to me that this is the defining moment of the rest of their life, for them, and in a lot of cases for their families.
Dangerous Aviation Dreams came to our attention through one of our franchisees out in California a few years back. And the idea just really hit us as something that was so appropriate, such a great way to say thank you to our senior veterans who sacrificed so much for us and living in assisted living homes. And to get them out of that environment and put them in a plane is just amazing. And I've been to a number of these, and it's just the smiles on their faces when they come back off those planes. It makes it all worth it. It's really a fantastic experience. It's an amazing organization. We feel like it's just bringing so much light and happiness into so many people's lives. It's certainly a most worthwhile project.
That's a great service for the old veterans.
It was great. First time I've been airborne since 1974.
Oh, it's wonderful. It's very great.
It's something I never expected to do at this late years.
Well, the kids have got a word for it. Awesome.
It was great, and I'd like to do it again.
This made sort of a dream for me come true.
Every dream flight we're on, we're affecting a life. We're lifting spirits. We're bringing joy where many times there isn't joy. We're connecting people in ways that hasn't happened for years. We're absolutely making a difference in people's lives at a time when they need it most. And it just doesn't get any better than that.
If you know of a hero from the greatest generation anywhere in Montana, contact us today.